for people who want to make a channel with AI. Welcome to this comprehensive guide. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of AI and explore how you can create your own YouTube channel with artificial intelligence. We start at the beginning, understanding what AI is. It's a technology that mimics human intelligence, learning from experience and adjusting to new inputs. AI has been transforming industries, and now, it's revolutionizing content creation. Now, let's focus on setting up your channel. Start by signing into YouTube, click on Create a Channel. Provide the necessary details, and you're good to go. Remember, your channel's name should be catchy and relevant to AI. The next step is creating your channel art. Keep it professional, simple yet intriguing. It's the first thing viewers see, so ensure it's visually appealing. Use AI tools like Canva, which uses AI to recommend designs based on your preferences. Now, let's move on to content creation. This is where AI truly shines. Tools like Jarvis or Shortly AI can help you script your videos. They use AI to understand the context and generate human-like text that's engaging and SEO-friendly. Your videos should be informative, engaging, and fun. Use AI video editing tools like Magisto or Adobe Premiere Pro, which use AI to automate the editing process. They can find the best parts of your clips and seamlessly stitch them together. Next, we have voiceovers. If you're camera shy or not a native English speaker, AI voiceover tools like Speechelo or Sonantic can help. These tools generate realistic human voices from text, making your videos sound professional and engaging. Remember, consistency is key in YouTube. Use AI tools like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to analyze your performance, optimize your SEO, and schedule your posts. They provide insights on what's working and what's not, guiding your content strategy. Engaging with your audience is crucial for your channel's growth. AI chatbots can help you interact with your viewers, answering their queries and collecting feedback. They can also recommend your videos to viewers based on their preferences. Lastly, monetizing your channel. Once you meet YouTube's requirements, you can start earning from ads, channel memberships, or merchandise shelf. Use AI to analyze your revenue streams and optimize your monetization strategy. In conclusion, AI can significantly simplify your YouTube journey. From setting up your channel to creating and monetizing your content. With AI, you're not just staying ahead of the curve, you're defining it. So, go ahead and create your AI-powered YouTube channel. Happy YouTubing! Subscribe to my channel, thanks.